Hello amazing people, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Guys, in today's video we're making something different. Yes, I'm making akara with the beans peels. Yes guys, I want to try out this method. As you can see, I'm blending my beans already. I'll blend it to smooth. Yes, you can see some fibers in the beans. That's normal guys, that is all we want. We want some fiber. Yes guys, I'll transfer into a bowl and I will start preparing for the next batch. I have beans and onions and one scotch bonnet. I'll add a little water and I'll blend it to smooth. Yes guys, I want to try this method today. Yes, so I'm blending the second batch. After I'm done blending, I'll start adding my ingredients. This doesn't require too much guys. Just with your salt, onions and your pepper, you're good to go. I've just added some salt, now onions and some pepper. Add that and I will mix well. Yes, you can use your food processor to mix this. I just want to make it local. Yes, so I'm going local today guys. I'll mix it very well, make sure everything is well mixed. Yes guys, I am done mixing. Now into another dry pan, I'll add some oil to fry the akara. Yes, so this is the time to start frying. I'll fry. Oh my goodness, let's see how it goes. Let's see how the outcome of this method. I'm adding in my beans. Please guys, don't make this mistake I made. Use non-stick pan. Please don't use this kind of pot, please. Oh, you can see my akara later got stuck and that's not nice. Use non-stick pan if you want your akara to come out smooth. Okay, this is me scooping in the beans batter and I'll let this fry, then I'll flip it over. Have you guys see? Did you see what I'm trying to tell you guys? Please avoid this kind of pan, please. Oh please, it will make your akara look good. You can see, so all the same we'll still eat it. I'll flip it over and I'll like the other side to fry as well. Then I'll take it out from the pan and I'll start doing the other batch. Let me let you guys watch this video. Please leave your comment. Let me know what you think about this method. If you've tried it before, let me know guys. Keep watching. Can you see how beautiful this akara is looking? The only difference is that it's a bit darker. Yes, it's a bit darker, but every other thing is just the same, and this one is more healthier. Yes, okay, look at that guys, golden brown. That is what we're looking at, golden brown. Okay guys, I'm scooping it out now, then I'll fry the next batch. This akara is so delicious. You can see guys, I'm done frying. It doesn't take time at all. I'm done. Just make your pap, your custard and enjoy your breakfast. Yes, so this is what we normally eat in our Nigerian home. Our breakfast is ready guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you guys on my next one.